Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today, on the eve of the 75th anniversary of the independence of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, I congratulate the government and nation of Pakistan on this great day and pray to Allah Almighty for their success, pride and honor. 75 years ago, on August 14, 1947, the Muslim nation of subcontinent, after a long and tireless struggle against the colonial and imperialist forces, won its independence and founded a great government that was adorned with Islamic identity and personality based upon a great Eastern Indus civilization. The Iranian government was the first government to recognize this glorious independence and established diplomatic relations with the government of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Therefore, this year we will celebrate together the 75th anniversary of the beginning of official relations between these great countries. I wish happiness, prosperity, and increasing honor for the two free nations of Iran and Pakistan. عزم عالیشان شاد باد پاکستان، ایران پاکستان دوستی زنده باد.